Today we're building one of our white pre-built gaming PCs, the Samurai. At just $13.99, this system has serious price performance and can get you gaming in 2K resolution or turn all the settings to max at 1080p. Starting with the CPU, we're dropping in what is undoubtedly the fastest budget processor, the i3-12100F. The less knowledgeable gamers among us might be fooled by the i3, but this 12th gen beast has performance slightly above the i7-10700. To finish this build off, we're clicking the RX 6600 XT from Asus, perfect for powering the latest games at max settings.